Greetings my friends, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to share how to recap electrolytic capacitor. Before we recap, let's check first. On this side here it has this minus sign and the pin is shorter. This part here, it has a longer pin. This is the positive side. Now before you replace all the electrolytic capacitors, I check all these capacitors here, especially the electrolytic, all are polarized capacitors. Before I will replace, I will put a markings on each of the old capacitor. Now these are all my markings. I put a line or a dot, and now I can tell that these are all old capacitors. Before I will pull out this 1000 microfarad 10 volts capacitor, check first the location of the pin. As you can see here, this is the minus sign. It means this is negative side of the capacitor, positive side here. And some circuit board, it has a plus sign on the positive side but no plus sign. And sometimes it is in the bottom part of this capacitor. Since we know the positive and negative side of the capacitor before we pull out, check this one here. It has this white color. It means this is negative and positive. But take note of this, not all circuit boards are the same. Sometimes the positive side has the white color and no color for the negative side. Make sure to put your own markings. Put a dot here or a dot on the positive side. That's the best way to do before replacing a new capacitor. Now I already finished recapping, and before I will end this video, I'm going to share something. This is the original part number 1000 microfarad 10 volts. And as you can see here, I replace it with 16 volts 1000 microfarad. In replacing capacitor, for example 1000 microfarad 10 volts, if you don't have the exact value, then in capacitance, make sure to find a replacement nearest to 1000. And in voltage, don't go below 10 volts.
Inspiring. You just gotta live. Up 987. Life changing.